how to set up an integration between Make.com and Thrivecart via API. So I'm here in my Make.com account. I'm going to come over here to scenarios, create a new scenario. So you want to use this to trigger if there's any payments. You want to use this to be able to talk to and communicate with your CIM, or if you want to send it to a Google Sheet or somewhere outside of Thrivecart using Make.com and you don't have the integration. Creating a new scenario, we'll just call it test API for now. And then we just come here and let's just do a search for Thrivecart. Cool. And you want to click on the new event instant trigger. And then let's just add a hook. And then we'll just call it Thrivecart. So I know I'll just call it TC for now. And then just save it. Cool. And now you just want to copy the address here. You can just hit save there too. If you need to come back and get it, you can always come back and copy. So now you want to go over to your Thrivecart account and then go into your settings and then go to API and webhooks. Then you come out here to view settings and just want to give it a name. I'm just going to call it make.com here. And then we're going to copy in that webhook, and then you want to receive results as JSON as well. So check that box there and then save this webhook. Okay, cool. So if you save it automatically, you're going to get this error message here about the details. So in the instructions, if you go on the instructions here in Thrivecart and make.com, they don't tell you how to address this issue. I'm gonna show you how to fix it really quick. It's a really quick fix. So all you do is come in, just save it, and then just click the run once. So now it's looking for the webhook to run. Save the webhook now, and then it will say your webhook has been accepted. So it's done. Then you can save it, and then you can go from there. It's finalized, it's good, and then you can integrate it with whatever CRM you want to integrate it from that point. Me, for example, I integrate mine with Go High Level. So I'll go through and just finish the setup to update a contact or create a new contact. And then that's it.